This before and after photo really shows the difference that a new crest can make. As with your headlight lenses on the car, it is difficult to tell how tarnished and old the hood crest has become without looking at it next to a brand new one. With such easy installation, it is perhaps the quickest method of instantly improving the exterior looks of your 911 or your Boxster. The new crest is so shiny, it's hard to take a good picture of it. The inside of the hood is manufactured with access holes so you can remove and replace the crest. Make sure that you don't tighten the two speed nuts too much or you can crack some of the plastic gel embedded into the front of the crest or damage your hood. The insert shows the complete Porsche genuine crest with the crest seal and two speed nuts. Replacement of the rear plastic emblem is relatively easy. New emblems come with pre-applied adhesive that's similar to double-sided sticky tape. A trick to removing the old emblem is to use dental floss. Get a few strips and work them under the emblem, cutting away the old adhesive. With the emblem off, carefully clean the area with some isopropyl alcohol and then apply the new emblem. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.